Okay, so this is the driveway coming out of our house. I'm turning around. There are all the shrubs. This is our house. See, the shrubs go all the way around, but there's like a block for the driveway. So, and then everyone parks their cars. The people that live on the big side park there. We're gonna park along here. And then, yep, this is the front. This is the path to get to our house. Here's an awning so we don't get wet when we're looking for our keys. Here's more of the shrubberies. That's the neighbor's yard. Here we are at the door. Okay, this is our living room. Oops, zooming in, didn't mean to. So we're going to probably put one couch there and one couch there. And then have the TV and all that good stuff on this side. And then, if you will follow me, to the right is Ariel's room. We've already started moving, so there's quite a bit of stuff. There's her bed. Her room is a little bit tiny. And then here's my room. That's the fuse box. Closet, windows, probably the side where I'll put my bed. See, the closets are kind of tiny, but like the green colored paint, note that. Then right down the hallway and to the left is our enormous kitchen that was just remodeled. Dishwasher, microwave, oven, fridge, the basics. Very nice new countertops. Then, directly across from the kitchen is the bathroom. The dryer is supposed to be behind the door, but he's getting a thingy fixed, so it's not there right now. But, yep, shower, all that good stuff. This is great because now we have enough space to put all of our stuff in the bathroom, so it won't be all cluttered. And some drawers underneath the sink and a little medicine cabinet. Hi! And then here's another closet. It'll probably be Ariel's closet since there's not one in her room. And then this can be probably the coat closet that already has hangers in it. And a full-length mirror, so we don't need to buy that, which is good. So, that's the tour of the house. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!